Hello and welcome to Tribe, the one place where you can build everything for your business, like circles and communities, to create social networks inside of your websites and funnels. You can create your courses, you can track all that, you can have reactions and comments and posts and discussions, everything inside of one platform for your users to enjoy. You can also drag and drop and create as big as you want pages inside of those websites and funnels that you create. You can sell with the e-commerce, you can manage all of the leads with the CRM, and you can blast campaigns with the email marketing automations and all that in one big ecosystem. So enjoy the platform and let me show you around. Alright, so let me show you around Tribe. It's so simple. When you select your template, you're inside of the platform. For whatever, website, funnel, community, you name it, you can build it here. And inside the builder, you can start customizing everything. With simple drag and drop, you can adjust the design and the structure of your pages. You can add any type of element that you want. Images, videos, audios, forms, booking, appointments, quizzes and surveys, checkout, you name it, you can just simply drag and drop it into the page and it's there and you can start using it right away. And everything that you built, it's mobile responsive. So you can just send it right away to users and start generating leads or sales and whatever you want for your business. And in this case, we have a funnel for this community. So on the funnel tab, you can actually see the steps that are part of your funnel. Here we have a homepage, a checkout, and a community, and a few pop-ups for terms and privacy. So you can see the flow. You can adjust the flow. And for example, if you want to A/B test your homepage, you can do that, your landing page, whatever you want to call it, and you can see the conversion rates, experiment, and see what converts best. In this case, we have a checkout, so people can purchase the product, in this case a community, but it can be a physical, digital service, whatever it is you can sell with this platform. And here you can customize the flow, the checkouts, so the product, the bump offers, the one-click upsells and downsells so that you can do for after somebody purchases the main product. You can customize all that. And after that, in this flow, they go into the community. So let me show you that. One of the stars of this platform, the communities. Here we have some analytics in the community zone where you can see people who have enrolled, completed content, new orders, revenue, MRR, cancellations, churn, you name it, we have it here, as well as completed content. So if you're tracking something, you can see it here as well. And the circles. Circles is basically the groups, the things that you create, the communities, the courses, and whatnot. And inside, you can start building with the community builder your pages, your courses, your community zones, whatever it is. In this case, we have a community with a wall, so people can create posts. And you have different settings about it, so we have dedicated videos on that. But yeah, people can create posts and forums and walls. You can create also discussion boards. So instead of using Slack or Discord, you can have everything inside with basically chat messaging, and you can create different channels inside of your discussions and organize that. And of course, you can have media, all sorts of different playlists, individual videos, or collections of videos that people can start consuming content in various different ways. And you can do different things. They can react, they can see, they can comment, and all that inside of your solution. You can organize different things in folders. In this case, we have tracking. So if you're building a course, you can simply have different tracking for your content. So you can do that from the settings of each individual page that you have some content on it. And that will be tracked and people can mark them as complete. And, based on that, you can do automations, for example. You can have all sorts of different pages and groups that you can create inside of your communities and pages. And the best thing is you have great analytics, again, to see about each particular community, about the members inside, about the content inside of each one. And let's look at this one. We're already a member inside of this community. We can create our posts. We already created one. So we can create another one and another one. We can create a poll as well if we want to. So we can adjust and create anything that you want. And the media, you can start consuming media right away. You can go to a specific video. You can watch it. You can mark it as complete if you want. You can react to it with different reactions. We have quite a cool custom reactions as well. And this action for completion, for example, will be triggered and will be, the event will be captured by the platform, and you'll see it in a second. You can start, typing your discussions inside of here. You can go to a different discussion. You can see the answers. You can see different threads that people can reply to. So it's so dynamic and so easy to interact with all that. And Yeah, let's see some of the things that we just did inside of the member that we have inside our community. We see information about them. We can mute them. You can ban them and enroll them, assign them a role. We can see what exactly they did inside of it. And in the activities, you can actually see all that. When you can see when they enrolled, when they start, completed content, when they started or completed a video. So it's so dynamic, and based on that, you can do triggers and automations. It's all interconnected, and it's all in one platform without having to use Zapier or any other platform. It's all inside. And yes, you have the store, so you can sell any type of a product that you want, not just communities, but you can sell physical products, digital products, services, memberships, you name it. And inside, yeah, you can adjust everything about your products, variations, etc., etc. So you can build a full-grown store as big as you want. You can manage subscriptions, MRR, anything. You can manage discount codes, reviews, and connect payment processors. We have around 20 different payment processors, and we are adding new and new all the time. So probably it will be more than enough for most of you, or if not everybody. In the contacts, you can actually have a full CRM. You can manage as many contacts as you want, generated anywhere, or you can import them or through the forms, quizzes, through checkouts to members signing up for your communities. And inside each user, you can see the activities and everything about them. You can see different properties. You can email them, message them, SMS, WhatsApp, voice, whatever you want, you can do with the contacts, and you can have as many as you want. You can accept appointments with the booking and appointments area. So you can, create your calendar, hook up your Google Calendar, and start accepting appointments. And lastly, we have the marketing automations, where you can actually create your campaigns, your email, SMS, WhatsApp, and voice campaigns, so you can blast your users, or create automations, which can be as big as you want and have different triggers that can be based on anything, basically, different properties, part of your CRM, different actions and behavior of your users inside of your communities as well. If somebody reacted to a specific post with a specific reaction, you can do that. If they answer to a poll, you can segment on that, and you can start sending them, in a different flow. Videos or something that they did in the circle, completed, or anything property related, you can do that and start doing actions with them. Send them emails and SMS and tags and comments and notes, whatever it is you can do, and perform your contacts and have great analytics about everything that happens. It's so powerful, all interconnected inside of one platform. And all that platform is lifetime deal right now. It's very, very limited. So grab your lifetime deals if you want to enjoy all that, all the funnels and the websites and the drag and drop and the store and the communities and the courses and the CRM and the marketing and automations, all these 9 different cool tools inside of one platform. So check it out. Experiment, play around, build a few things, and of course there is money back if you don't like it, but I think you will love it. So don't miss this chance. Explore Tribe and let us know in the comments, in the community. Join the community. Let us know what you think, and yeah, talk to you in the next video.